Chimurosa mwatizo. Okutanga batele ga murosa. Boy. Boy, boy, chitu.
Oh yeah.
Ah, yes. Long time no see. Over the phone.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Well done. And how was your flight?
Oh, very long. It's from Germany to Qatar to Tanzania to Zimbabwe.
Oh, it's with so many.
Yeah. It was like 20 hours.
Thank you very much.
Chrissy.
Mashika.
Hata so shika. Pafambo.
What is more is in them?
So
Maybe small snow like this. It's not as many. Getting more,
That's right.
yeah.
Did you experience any complications or only way from baby?
No,
The moment you landed it, they arranged the nation.
no, there's no complications.
Okay.
Even visa was.
why are you laughing now? No. Laughing mom and
Yeah.
my daughter and my son. The son. That's my mother. This is Annika and Jacob.
Yeah.
Jacob and Annika. Okay, where from?
From Germany.
Yep.
Wait, let me see. That's sure.
Dayo, outra beba aí. Come here, come sitting. Take a seat there. Yeah.
But you can call me.
Yeah.
Jacob is easy.
Jacob
Mine
is
is the problem.
The other one is.
Mine.
My other one.
Okay.
My family name is Adam.
It's Jacob Adam.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay. I met her when I was working at Buddha school. They were in a certain different program called AFS.
It's Blackbird.
So we are talking in terms of what? Anika and Jacob.
Yes.
What Christianity people? Or what religion?
Oh, Christian.
Christian.
Yeah.
So we are the Jacob in the Bible, isn't it?
Yeah. And my name is fully Christian, like Jacob.
Yeah.
So I worked with Anika in Thailand, but Jacob was also in Thailand, but then we never met.
How this is affected?
We told them. I told them about.
We don't have shops here. We don't have nothing. So would you resist?
We tried.
You try. Maybe. I just see that what do we interject?
Yeah.
What degree will you pursue? And
What degree? What? Sorry.
yes, in life, what are you pursuing for?
The education.
Yeah.
Education wise.
I study right now. Like study social work.
Social work.
Yes.
Oh, so tomorrow I will give you
My focus is kids and children for taking care of them because their parents could not or they don't do it in the right way, abuse them or something like that. So that's my focus.
Okay. Thank you very much. Listen from my young one.
Oh, I already have like an application. It's like plant technologist, and I'm studying for farmer.
Farming.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's agriculture.
So it's quite related to the stream you are
Yeah.
doing. But the challenge now is going to be a loaded onto the Sharon. Do you have some gumboot?
I don't have gumboot. They use their shoes.
Ah, you can't use their shoes.
I have some.
You have some?
Like not like those slippers,
No.
but like others.
Oh yeah, so that's okay. So basically we think that instead of just waking up and then look at each other doing nothing, that's not proper. So maybe tomorrow we'll give them a tour on the farm.
That's right.
Definitely they'll be tired by the time we come back. But now my question to you is this. How many hectares is this farm?
86.5.
Caterpillar?
No, the caterpillar is different. There's another one.
He's obsessed with the caterpillar.
Down there, so you can
Push it up.
yes, and then very tight and just.
Okay. That's technology.
Kind of technology, but it works every time.
Oh, this is my father's brother.
Oh, you're
Yeah.
the older.
Yeah.
Older brother.
He's older than my father, and then that's his wife. He says nice to meet you. You say nice to meet you. You say
Yeah.
Tafara Guzeo, remove the photo. Yeah. Then you say Tafara Guzvayo. Tafara Guzvayo. Yes. Or Nesu. Yeah, something like that. Saka my guru Indianika Undi Jacob. Tashana now to Thailand. Shangira ukuthi bambone sikhathaba nawo maphopoma Victoria Falls. Ashike kumusha. Mbondona mliyo ukuthi bona uje kunomashiko. Ulizozo lofana. Like this. Yeah. Funai. So I'm saying you can talk to them, like you can communicate with them. You can ask any question. No, I mean like just say anything to them because I think that's the proper thing.
Yeah.
Instead of just keeping quiet. Like you can ask him and what you wanna ask him, you can ask him whatever.
Do you live here? Or just on another place?
Yeah.
Here.
But then their homestead is down there. You will see tomorrow. Like what Washington was saying, that the farms are related with the sons.
Yeah.
So my father built his houses. This is his house. Then the gazebo, then the kitchen, and then the other. But then that one belongs to my grandmother.
Yeah.
So my father's brother have his homestead down there.
Yeah.
So it's like you have the same yard, but then you have your own different homesteads. That's how it is with people who stays here in the farms.
Okay.
You don't have to go far from the yard. I mean, like maybe some people do that, but then here we do it on the same yard.
Okay.
So they have their own kitchens, they have their own bedrooms as well.
Okay.
Then they have their own greenhouse store as well.
Yes.
And their cows, their pigs, things. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
How
How
many
many
animals Do they have
She wants me more than Baba.
11.
Oh, it's a lot. We don't have animals on our farm now.
And that's now.
Oh. One of the last thing on the Mukata. What about people when you had to the oh, nice. I'm a young.
My Gutu,
Who say you could go
she's saying, how is Germany?
Right now it's very cold because it's winter. It's snowing.
and the good
Mashiwa.
So she was able to understand what you say. But
she doesn't want to speak.
It.
She got one sentence.
When do you come here? When do you come here?
When do you?
On the 18th. So Baba told her now.
Soon guys, I will know by here. Imagination, I'm listening.
Normally when we have visitors or when we have functions, before anything happens, they do have meetings. Let's say if my aunt is gonna come here, my father and him and the sisters, they have maybe their own meetings, or maybe including my parents, my mother as well, my group, they have their own meeting without the children. Maybe that's when they'll be deciding which cow should we slaughter, or what else we're supposed to do. I was supposed to do something with the traditional thing, because there's also traditional alcohol.
Drinking alcohol or beer?
Traditional. The
No.
traditional one.
This one
They
we
play
tried
the
last.
super.
No. But then the one that they are preparing here, you haven't tried it.
That's a super. Okay, go you
No, no.
This one said, I have never tasted anything like that in this world. Bakazama super kaikoniwa. Ordinary level. You know, Washington was telling you about the levels of education. So at this point, is done with the level where you can say, okay, I don't want to go ahead and do form 5 or form 6.
Black
That one, black cities. There's another plaque. So we have that plaque who were with Victoria Falls. Then there's this other plaque, and that's a child. Yes. And this is Bay. Bay what? These are their grandsons. And the one who is being carried by Black is great grandson. It's like so great. Yeah, something like that. So that's basically pretty much it. They stay together with them. Yeah. Saka iwe Dani uyanonzi Anika uyanonzi Jacob mese muchinzwa vanobva kuGerman. If you follow football, the German team, that's where they come from.
That's what
I have no idea. So yeah, ndaichana navo kuThailand, ndachigara kuThailand, ndikumakungwa ndokwachaivatiza. Saka vakati katimboshandira kupi kuZimbabwe. Ndachita kutafara kuziya chimwe chiraifi.
Nice to
Glad
meet
to
you,
meet
guys.
you. Glad to meet you.
Glad to meet you too.
And if you have got something to say to them, you can listen.
Yeah.
Yes.
They also can question us.
Yes.
So,
Kulaki.
how old are you?
How old are you?
80.
Oh.
Can you drive?
What old are
You
you?
can show me with your hands.
Yes.
Hanzi namakore mangani handiudze nezvibhunu kuti nanga akati namangani kumakore mangani.
Oh.
The people have been trying to build the church for a long time, do different manual work for them to build their own church. Because one around here has been donating 1 bag, 2 bags. So all of us, I still have to donate something,
Yeah.
but some of the Shemarians donated some bags of cement as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So-
they can build their own church.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I will go there one day, maybe, because I don't know if they're gonna have a service over the weekend. If they're gonna have a service, where are you?
I don't know when it was it. I actually don't know.
Over Christmas, I was not church.
I actually don't know.